All right, here we have a very hard to find 1967 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport. This is the real deal Super Sport, guys and gals. And the best part is you can prove it because this car has its original build sheet and other documents from when it was new. So it is absolutely proven that it is a real Super Sport. And it is also sporting the color it was born with. That's right, this is an R code Bolero red. So I know a lot of times people over the years, they take a gold car or a green car and paint it red because it looks better. And this car was born Bolero red. So just adds to the interest and value of this car, quite frankly. This car came to us out of the South Carolina area, just the way you see it. The previous owner did install the American Racing aftermarket wheels and tires, which gives it an even sportier look. Excellent looking car. If you look down the sides, you'll be able to see the body lines and stuff are in good shape that way. Now I do believe this car has had a repaint in its original color. This isn't the original paint. Older repaint, I would say, that clearly, as you guys can tell, still has a great shine and everything to it. However, if you do go around it close, there's a couple of flaws, you know, showing its age here and there. I'll see if the camera will pick them up. There's, you can see there's something right there. You know, a little spot here and there kind of thing. But overall, you definitely can tell that the car has definitely has some eyeball, that's for sure. Let's look inside. Again, Southern car, very solid. You can look underneath there. I did not see any signs of any major bubbling or anything like that along the bottom, which of course is usually where they start to show if they have anything like that. Car's nicely equipped too. Look at this, the car's even got power windows. And of course with the SS you get the buckets with the center console shifter. There you go. The odometer reads 82,000 miles. We're assuming that's actual, but I don't have any paperwork to prove it, so I'll leave that up to you if you think it's actual or not. Padded dash looks pretty darn good as well. I love the parchment interior in here with the Bolero red background is just fantastic. Black headliner that is all up and looking good. Let's take a look at the other side here. Doors closed nice and easy. You can see the gap is good there. Now again, you can take a look at the still photos of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. And there you'll see photos of the inside, outside, and the underside of this gorgeous car. And again, the bottom looks pretty darn good on this side too. Not perfect, again, you know, you might find a chip or two, things like that, but again, very nice. Also on the website, you'll be able to see photos of that build sheet that I was talking about before. And that way you can decipher it and look at it as you will. White vinyl top. In my opinion, this vinyl top looks like it's original yet. And if that's the case, I think it's holding up pretty darn well. I know a lot of folks worry about any bubbling back here in this area, and I don't see any here. Check this side out too. Again, not seeing any bubbles here. All right, now for the fun part. We're gonna open the hood and fire this.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And she's alive. I forgot to point out before, this does have an aftermarket AM/FM stereo in it as well. Under the hood is a 327. It's the HC suffix code, which would be correct for a 1967 Impala. That'd be a 327 275 horse. 4-barrel carburetor, mated to an automatic transmission, which is what this car is. I could not decipher a VIN derivative on the pad, whether it's been cleaned or worn or what have you. I could not tell that, but the HC suffix code definitely jives with 67 Impala. Like I say, basically what this car is. So got that going. Previous owner did a few things, power steering hoses, some new shocks. I mentioned the custom wheels and tires that we put on. But other than that, the car's pretty well stocked. Take one more trip down the side here for you, and then you can listen to the exhaust when I get back here. All right, one more time. You can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trade-ins are considered. Financing is available as well. And this car would qualify for an extended warranty to protect your car after the sale.